June 2nd, St. Augustine Brawl, Hickory, North Carolina. Hail to the king, baby. That's right. Yours truly, the human juggernaut, the last star, the emerald knight, the song of the south, the line that is secretly may devour. None other than Justin Fireball takes on big, sexy Sean Christopher. And let me tell you something, Daddy-O. You might have got your hand raised high in the victory in the Miami street fight back at the Wicked Carnival. But you was ever so lucky that the referee stopped the match when he did, because he saved you a lot of pain and a trip to the hospital. But come June 2nd, and it's St. Augustine Brawl, I will see to it that one of the fractions of the main event killers gets destroyed. And that you can hail to the king to, baby. All night long.